positioning of a product in the minds of people. Sometimes the producer of a product may have a concept of positioning of the product in the minds of the people, but the public who are consuming may have a different perception. When I advertise a hair oil like coconut oil, stating that it is 100% pure, and I am living far away where coconut oil is not produced, and I start using it as a food item, then what is intended or positioned as a hair oil becomes a food item. Then the sales limit is very high. Whereas a hair oil has a limited sales, food item coconut oil has huge sales. Therefore, the positioning in the minds of the public is more relevant than the positioning planned by the product manufacturer.